I bring warm greetings on behalf of the government of the day, of course led by our Honorable Prime Minister, and it is a true pleasure and honor to be part of your occasion of Baisakhi. Once again, I thank you very much for your invitation, and it's a pleasure for me to be celebrating this auspicious festival with you all, brothers and sisters. Yes, this is the second time for me to enter this Gurudwara, and I have much respect for all of you for having me here this afternoon. As I stand here and I look around and I think about the last few weeks, we have indeed been very blessed with a lot of blessed celebrations. We started with Samabula. We celebrated Holi, we celebrated Easter, we are celebrating Ram Navami, and today we are gathered here to celebrate Baisakhi with the start of the Ramadan month. Very, very holy month. And I think we should be proud that we are allowed to celebrate all our religious festivals, our full faith, without any restrictions in this beloved nation of ours. We have lived over many, many decades together, celebrating and appreciating who we are in this beautiful country of ours. Ladies and gentlemen, not only do we freely practice our respective faiths, but we get to take part in and celebrate all other cultural festivals of our fellow Fijians. And as a government, we ensure that we protect your right. Fiji is a secular state, and this is where all our rights are embedded. This secularism provides freedom to every Fijian to have equal rights to practice their own religion. And this is the special beauty of our nation, where we respect and give honor to each and everyone, regardless of which faith we belong to. And I hope and pray that our Fiji remains this in the next hundreds and hundreds of years to come. While we celebrate each other's differences, each other's cultures and faiths, we must welcome others, and because it provides us an opportunity to learn about our people that we live, and of course promoting peace and harmony, irrespective of who we are, where we live, which color of skin we live, all this. And today's occasion, the celebration of Baisakhi, is a very good example of such an opportunity where we have gathered here to learn and enjoy and to celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that the past year has not been very good for our nation and the world, of course. We have been faced with incredible challenges and numerous adversities. But I thank you all for being part of this great nation where we have supported each other in whichever way we could. I thank all our faith-based organizations who participated in this exercise by being with the government to support and help our Fijians who are suffering. And I think that's the spirit we have. We care for each other, we love each other, and we will remain undefeated and unbowed. We always get back on our feet. And I think that's because of the belief we have in our faith. We draw our strength from our faith. And today we are celebrating our belief in the Almighty. However, ladies and gentlemen, at the same time we must forget and take time to reflect. What is it that we are striving for? Why should we appreciate others? What makes our life worth living for? And reflect on the values our cultures hold up for us and who matters to us most. Who should matter to us most is every living human being. And that is the opportunity that today and other celebrations provide to us. Coming back to Baisakhi, ladies and gentlemen, Fiji is home to thousands of Sikhs. And I know today is a very special for all of you, whether you are here or in India or in Punjab or whichever part of the world. Today is a very special day for us. I got the opportunity to visit Punjab twice. And I enjoyed, believe me, I enjoyed the hospitality of the people there, the fast life there, the life of the farmers. And of course, what excited me most was when I used to travel by the feeder roads, I would see this, I'm sorry if I can call them bhais, bhaijis, they were just sitting there making these laddus, these bundi laddus. That's what I remember. And I actually brought some back with me. So the sweetness, I think, Punjabis, the sweetness that you have probably is reflected in your Bani. When we hear your Guru Bani going on, there used to be a TV program, and I have to put the channel on and listen to that. That's the sweetness that you bring to our lives. And please continue to do that. The way we talk to people, the way we deal with people, the way we assist people, the way we care about everybody else. That's what Sikhism is for me. Being good, being a good human being, standing up for others, sharing and caring. I'm sure this festival, if I know it was born in 1699, so it's come a very, very long way. And full of color and joy. Baisakhi announces the coming of spring, a new year of harvest for your community, and the first day of the month of Baisakhi. So, smile, that's what it brings you, smile, positivity. It brings joy and festivity. And that is, I think, one thing we have forgotten in our race to progress, in our race to earn money, in a race to be successful. I think one thing we've forgotten is being happy with what we have. I have a strong belief in that. खुश रहो जो कुछ भी है. पैसा के पीछे भागते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा भाषण दे रहे हैं. हम पैसे के पीछे भागते, काम के पीछे भागते, बच्चे छूट जाते, फैमिली छूट जाता है, क्या रह जाता? कुछ नहीं. तो जो मोमेंट हमें मिलता है, my message will be live that moment. Put your life to the to helping others who are not fortunate. Some of us have everything, some of us have nothing. But even if you have the most wealth of this world, there is something lacking, and that is inner peace. How do we find inner peace? We find inner peace from our beliefs, our religion, and our cultures, and how we treat other human beings. So, Baisakhi and any other religious festival sort of allows us devotees a chance to be connected to our gurus. And we need to revalue the values, especially now. We look at a lot of things happening. So as parents, please teach cultural values to your children. It's very important, because these are the generation that will take us forward. So we don't only pray for our well-being, we must also pray for the well-being of others and our loved ones, and of course everything that comes with that. So ladies and gentlemen, as part of my work, I travel around a lot of places, and it's always heartwarming to see a Gurudwara open for outsiders, the masjid there, the temple there, the church there. That's what makes Fiji is special. And I think as Fijians, as individuals, we must respect other religious groups that are currently present. So your Gurudwara, ladies and gentlemen, is a representation that stands proud as a physical representation of your Sikh faith. Beautiful. The last time I came here, I think after that we've had some renovations done. So I'd like to thank the committee for maintaining this cultural heritage site. For me, from education perspective, this is a heritage site for us. And the way it stands, whether you pass in daytime or the nighttime, sort of pulls the eye towards it. That's the faith we have. When you pass by where there's a church, we must pay respect. If there's a masjid somewhere, we must pay respect to that. And of course, any other symbol of religion representation must be respected at all times. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say thank you very much. And I know Gurudwaras are one place where nobody goes away hungry. And I know you've been serving people, feeding people, and I wish and pray you continue to serve not only your people, but the nation as a whole. And I see this as a beacon of hope for those who have sort of been lost. And what should I say? In terms of worshipping, it's always important to be a true believer of your faith and worship. That brings much satisfaction to ourselves. And I think one thing very special, I always used to go by the Gurudwara in Tangi. That's one Gurudwara that always appeals to me. And I visited there a few times, and the hospitality, that those who mend the Gurudwara is just too good. And Sikhs all across the world have been known for that love for others, service to others. So I would like to leave you with these words: be good and spread goodness, spread lots of love and brotherhood. Cherish who you are. Our faith defines who we are. No faith is here or there. We place faith on equal pedestal. So everybody is equal. And here in Fiji, as a government, that's what we preach. We preach equality. And you can be rest assured that Fiji is a home to a lot of cultural groups and will always remain a home to you all. So please be strong and have lots of principles and lots of faith in your faith, yet keep an open heart to those who are of different faiths. That's what I would like to leave you with. While you enjoy and protect your faith, just remember there are other people who also need respect and tolerance because they differ. In Fiji, like I said, we have people of different faith, but that doesn't mean we have to be divided. This diversity that we have can be a good solution for us to be all united. And these are the very same values that our nation holds sacred, and I'm proud to have the Fijian Sikh community as my fellow citizens. So at the end, shukriya ek baar fir se, having me and my team here, keeping the doors of this beautiful Gurudwara open to the members of the public. Please continue to serve, and Waheguru will bless you abundantly. I wish you all good health. एक बार फिर से बैसाखी का त्यौहार आप सबको मुबारक हो। शुक्रिया।
Thank you very much for your lovely speech towards the Sabbath.